For more than a century, the Yost Vise Company has been making the finest vises available for both professionals and home craftsmen. The 750 Di is the latest in the line of Yost heavy-duty vises. Made from heavy-duty 60,000 psi ductile iron, it is twice as strong as other rotating vises on the market. This vise can exert a clamping force of 9,000 pounds, making sure that every part worked on is securely locked in place. Weighing in at 63 pounds, the 750 Di is 50% larger than other rotating vises on the market. The pull-pin rotating mechanism allows the vise head to be easily rotated into 12 different locking positions every 30 degrees. Using Yost's gear-lock base, the body of the 750 Di rotates a full 360 degrees with 2 lockdowns, allowing you to grip parts in any location. 4 mounting holes secure this vise to the workbench. The Yost Extreme Grip Machinist Jaws are hardened steel serrated machinist jaws that have a diamond groove pattern for enhanced grip. The Yost exclusive self-aligned serrated pipe jaws are held in place with a pin, allowing them to adjust to different size pipes. A floating design grips parts more effectively by spreading the clamping pressure over a larger area. At 3.5 inches, the 750 Di has the largest pipe capacity on the market. The smooth V-groove jaws at the bottom of the vise allow you to grip up to 5 inches of circular stock with ease. For shaping and fabrication, a large anvil is featured on the back of the vise. Yost Vises, over a century of excellence.
The Olympia Tools 4-inch drill press vise features professional-grade performance and is utilized to apply pressure or as an additional hand when working with a variety of materials. The flat-type press is constructed with a machined spindle, a powder-coated finish, and a malleable cast steel body. The Olympia Tool Hobby Woodworker's vise features a machined spindle, handle, and guide bars. Its all-metal dog is ideal for securely holding large wood pieces, so you can focus on the task at hand. The Olympia Tools drill press and hobby woodworkers vise come in 6-inch sizes and are an ideal choice for serious woodworkers and hobbyists looking to upgrade their tool set.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.